Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. I have a special guest with me today. This is my good friend, Trina. Do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm on the product development team here at Kimberbell, and we've enjoyed stitching up a lot of fun things for the coming up seasons.
And today we are so excited to share with you all of our bench buddies for the fall and winter season here. So we're going to get started and we're going to show you some really fun things on the new pillows that are coming out. First of all, I'm going to just show you, this is the embroidered version of Leaves Are Falling, Autumn is Calling, and look how fun. This is the embroidered version and this is the sewing version, and look how beautiful. Both of these are just amazing. I know Trina spent a lot of time stitching this one.
Either way you stitch it, it's going to turn out beautiful.
Very, very true. So this is an embroidered hoop, paper piecing type of technique right here, and this is actual just paper piecing technique that you would normally do on a sewing machine. But they just turn out both so cute.
And you're all ready for fall with those.
Yay! I'm going to show you another one. Oh, and this is such a fun one right here. Hello Fall, and aren't these beautiful with the glitter and the glitter dot organza. Look how fun they're both just beautiful. And there is some really fun for those of you that like handwork. This is a really fun one, but it was pretty quick too.
They both turned out beautiful, whether you hand stitch or embroider.
Yes, and I love the organza is an added 3D. So this is like a fun little something that you can make in the hoop here, and this one was actually made in the sewing machine, but with the same product. So I was just going to introduce, this is one of our new products that's going to be coming along out with the new bench buddies, and you can see this is our organza pack. There's purple, there's red, and there's silver. These are so much fun. This is really a fun product to work with, which brings us right into our Halloween, right? Our fun fall October right here. And this is so cute with the organza right here. That's a cute little witch upside down making her spell. You can see all these fun little bubbles coming out, and this is made with our mylar, our iridescent mylar. And I'll let you show the other one, Trina. This is the companion to it.
So you get 2 cute pillows for decorating for October.
And this is a new product that we also have out. It is our glitter dot applique glitter, and we call it our polka dot. It actually has little holes in it so you can see the color behind it. I love that. That's just a fun new technique as well. So you can see we've got orange behind the shoes here and the hat, and that's just a piece of fabric. You could color it with any color you want and behind there.
Personalize it how you want.
Yes, and I love that this is also newly available, and it's a really fun product. So we have lots of fun new products coming out this fall. This is a gorgeous one.
Gorgeous, yes.
All right, I'm going to pull this up higher. This is a gorgeous one. This right here, look how fun. These are pull flowers, and we will go over these at a later time, but these will be available this coming fall, and isn't that just beautiful? Just for super fun. Beautiful pumpkin with this fall bouquet coming right out the top, and I love the flange border on this particular pillow.
You get a lot of texture and a lot of color on this.
For sure. And the companion pillow that goes with this is right down here. It's called Give Thanks. And I love the burlap touch with this. And this is actually a little lace project. So, and then this is also a mylar applique piece that you can actually do in the hoop or with the sewing machine. And this is so much fun, like how it was hand embroidered right on that burlap for the sewing version. So lots of fun. I think you guys are going to just love these. These are just really, really fun.
A lot of creative expression here in these pillows.
Oh, I agree. All right, Trina, will you show us the last two right here? So I'm going to make a little spot
And once
here.
again, we use the glitter dot organza for a Christmas pillow, which turns out
Very
really
fun.
fun. A lot of dimension to this one.
For sure, a little present.
Yes.
I'll hold that while you grab the other one if you'd like. And look how fun. This is a fun Christmas tree, and I
This
love
is
the
really
buffalo print. That is just so much fun. And this tree, this is a real twig.
Yes, a real twig.
Isn't that crazy? A real twig. I'm going to show you really quick how we do that. This is just what a fun idea. So this will still be in the hoop before it's a finished pillow, but I'm just going to jump ahead so I can show you this. And there's a tack down line that's going to tack all your ribbons down. And your ribbons are going to be placed with the right side facing down. And you just take a 4-inch twig. You can just use any twig, any stick, whatever you prefer. And then you simply take your ribbon and you just tie a tie on the bottom. And then what I do is I like to move up to the top one and do one on the top. The reason I would do one at the bottom and then one at the top is it kind of holds it in place for you while you're trying to tie the other ribbons, but it keeps it right where you want it to be. And you can do a double knot, you can do a single knot. You could add a dab of glue if you wanted to hold those knots with just a single knot. However you'd like to do it. And I just think this is so much fun. Any kind of color, whatever ribbon color you would like to choose. It's just a lot of fun to make that tree. You could actually add silver glitter or gold glitter ribbon, and it would look like you've got tinsel on your tree. Lots and lots of fun.
All these pillows just have a lot of a lot of glittery and a lot of depth and dimension to them.
They do, don't they? I'm gonna pull this pillow back over here so you can see, and then we've trimmed the ribbons as short as we'd like and added these cute buttons. Look how much fun. And I know I love the glitter, and I love this idea of the stick. Just really fun.
These turned out really beautiful.
So I really, really hope that you enjoy making these pillows. And we also wanted to show off our Orange Pop rulers. Our Orange Pop rulers, whoops, somebody dropped one. The Orange Pop ruler is key. That is something that we've used. We use it on every single one of these pillows as we are cutting and trimming. Super helpful. They're just a great tool. I would highly recommend everybody have one of these tools in their repertoire of tools for sewing and quilting.
It gets your cuts really precise so that things fit together very, very well at the end. After you put in all this work, you want the pillow to fit together really nicely.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for joining us this Tuesday. And if you'd like, please leave comments below on our post. And if you like the pillows, please share. Share with your friends and get them all excited about the Kimberbell Bench Buddies.
And happy stitching from all of us at Kimberbell.
Bye-bye.